pizza oven.
Ferrari? Ferrari, oh my God.
See an Italian word? Oh,
Yeah.
Ferrari pizza oven. Oh, I thought-
I don't think Ferrari even makes pizza ovens. Like,
yeah. But someone's searching for it though. I need a Ferrari. Super fast. And
like you want some Lamborghini pizza oven.
Lamborghinis, yeah. Lamborghini. Is there a jalapeno pizza?
All right, guys. So I'm getting really hungry now looking at this MKL and listing for this pizza maker. What do we have here, Joel?
We got a countertop pizza oven.
Oh, that's a pizza oven. Yeah, it looks like a weird mix of an air fryer and a press, like a toaster. What is this?
There's a few variations. There's a few where it's like a rotating kind of pizza oven, like it rotates it and cooks it. And then there's like a traditional oven where you can just put it in and it's got brick stone and all that stuff. So there's a few variations of pizza ovens nowadays. I didn't even know about the rotating one. That's a new one for me.
That's great. Guys, if you just landed on this video, what we're going to do here, just optimizing a bunch of listings and show you how you can optimize your listing. We're going into this niche today, but we have been taking care of many different products for Amazon. So just take a look at our videos. You will learn a lot of things, and get Data Dive if you want. There is a link in the description of this video. So without further ado, Joel, you can run us through this listing, how you did your competitor research, what are the keywords, and then we can deep dive into this SEO optimization.
Yeah, definitely. So I went for pizza oven. So I did a few searches, just pizza oven, then countertop pizza oven, and kind of went through there and got them through the BSR and the first page. So these are my top 20 here. And you can see the best of the best. I think Presto, Betty, PYY seem to kind of be the big guys. They have, as you can see, 90% of the keywords are on the first page for Presto. So you can see the breakdown of all the competitors, how many keywords they're using, how much, how frequently, all that good stuff. So, but yeah, those are the competitor breakdown.
I just want to brief you guys into this. On Data Dive, that is the tool that we're using for optimizing this listing and to gather our keywords. You can see a kind of a heat map on this tab, Master Keyword List. This shows you how well your competitors are doing. And this is really important here, this line, number 19, percentage of keywords on page 1. So how many keywords are actually they ranking for and they appear on page 1 at the moment of us doing this research. This was done, I guess, a couple of days ago, right?
Yeah.
So Data Dive is pretty much giving you a picture of where each competitor is standing and how well they're ranking. So this is very important because what we do is we select our competitors, and we always say this MKL, this master keyword list, is always as good as the competitors that you select. So it's really important for you guys to do the proper research. And as Joel was mentioning, we select our competitors by performing searches on Amazon, getting the top results, not sponsored by but organics. And also we go, as Joel was saying before, on the BSR page. This is really important because we really want to get the best sellers in this category.
Keep going down to the master keyword list. These are all the keywords. I tried to exclude most of the non-relevant ones, mainly brand names. Usually I try to get rid of brand names and all those random words. Horno de pizza. I think that's Spanish.
Yeah, that's Spanish. Yeah, it means pizza oven.
Yeah, I don't really put in my listing, but could be good for PPC or back-end search terms. But for now, I'm gonna get rid of them.
Exactly. So normally when we find high search volume and still relevant keywords that are not in the main language, like Spanish, for example, is a perfect example, or even in Chinese. Sometimes it does happen to find Chinese. But I guess Chinese people are not really big fans of pizza, so it might be more relevant. Well, they like durian on pizza.
Yeah, durian. They had some funky pizza in China, but they love it. So
Yeah, so we're not going to get into the details of that. But what we were saying is that you might still take advantage of those keywords. You want to remove them from the master keyword list. Why? Not because they're bad keywords per se, but because you don't want them to mess with your score, with your rank juice that we will get into in a few seconds. But you still want to, use them in your PPC, in your search terms, etc.
All right, going to the listing builder. So I'm going to start with the title. I always start with the title. So as I have here, the brand we just have, and the keywords I used: pizza oven countertop, electric pizza oven, stainless steel pizza oven for home, birthday parties, barbecues, college, and then pizza kit with spatula and oven mitts. That's what I have now, but we can definitely make it better. So I'm going to hop to the battle of the titles where you can see the breakdown. So here's my title, our title. Got about 2.5 million rank juice. And then you can see the other guys, few 100,000. This guy's got 4 million. We got to pass him. He's around us. Yeah. So you can see we can definitely improve the title and take that #1 spot.
Yeah, we want to shoot for the stars.
Yeah, we need that #1.
And I noticed that the original title that you have right now, it's around 163 characters, right? Still have room for adding more keywords, definitely. So
here we are, got their ranking juice. I think these two: indoor pizza oven. Yeah, I'm gonna highlight them. Text that I do it. Yep.
Yellow. Yeah, I think just by adding indoor, we will hit both of them as a broad match at least.
Oh, yeah.
And one of them as an exact match. So that's really good. Yeah.
Yeah, this is another good one. Indoor pizza countertop, ovens countertop. Yeah, there's a lot of good ones. Should I do mini pizza oven? I mean, it is small, mini.
Yeah. Is it like a regular size or is it?
It's kind of countertop, so it's like.
Oh, yeah. Then I think you can cook a mini pizza in that. So.
Yeah, for sure. It's not
a mini pizza. Yeah, ma bella. I want to cook the pizza.
Yeah, you know the Italian. Oh yeah, speaking of Italian, Napoli. Am I saying that right? Napoli.
Oh yeah. Man, I'm hungry now. I'm really hungry.
Yeah, every word I read, it makes me more hungry.
Yeah, all these pizzas around. Wow.
Damn. Quiet stomach, quiet. But what is a Napoli pizza oven? Is that that's a type of Italian pizza, right?
Yeah, I mean, Napoli is like Napoli style is the kind of pizza, the traditional, with the thick border, right? So, and the oven, it should be like wood fire oven, stone oven. So, I mean, it's like connecting to that kind of original traditional style.
Let's see what else we got. Home. I don't think it's electric. Oh yeah, small pizza oven. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good. Variations of indoor and countertop. You can see they're just rearranging, but you can still get good rank juice. Let's see what we got. Pizza. That's a brand name. Damn, I thought I removed them, but yeah, I mean, it is electric. You do plug it in the wall, so technically, yeah, it's electric. Yeah. Indoor pizza oven for home. Ooh, that's a good one.
I think let's start with those ones. Yeah, it looks like most of the good ones they stay around this 300,000 score.
Yeah, that's good. All right. Yep. So at live action, exact. Where are we at? Yeah. See, we're already popping up to #1, getting close. Wow. 4 million already.
Let's be the best pizza makers on Amazon.
Yeah. The best oven and mitts. I'm gonna add it. Pizza, tabletop pizza oven. Keep your first words capitalized. Make it all nice and pretty. Still got like 25 characters.
Yeah, but I would like to maybe see if we're #1 right now, but I would like to make it a little bit less repeating keywords and keyword stuff, and try to add more like features so we can make it more human, more discursive, and we still have like 27 characters left. So yeah,
we got a lot of room to work with. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, there we go.
This is perfect. Okay, so Joel, just quick questions here. What are the top 3 main keywords in this title? Can you please highlight them for us?
Yeah, so they're going to be basically all the way pizza oven countertop. Yeah, these are the big, like, those are the best ranking juice. With just these keywords, put you at 4.8 million. And that's pretty insane. Usually it takes the whole 200 characters just to kind of get there. But popular niche pizza ovens. So
Nice.
those are your big
Really,
ones.
really good. Let's move on to the Battle of the Bullets. I like this.
Yeah, moving on to the bullets where you will get hungry.
Can't wait.
So, all right, so I'm starting with the first bullet point, trying to get you locked in, trying to get you interested in the product. So I started with a nice headline: experience pizza perfection. You're already thinking about the perfect pizza. And then it kind of breaks down the master of the art of crispy crust and melted cheese and how do I get that perfect pizza. And then I kind of moved down to turning your kitchen into a pizzeria. So you're thinking you're back with David in Italy, or you're back home with your own pizzeria. So kind of how you get that pizzeria vibe in there and how you can get that homemade delicious pizzas. Oh yeah.
Bello, the
Yeah,
pizza.
mamma mia. And now then the third one, I'm breaking it down. You're taking pizza night. Everybody loves pizza night, kids, adults. Who doesn't love pizza night? So we're going to take pizza night to the next level. So you discover how this compact countertop pizza oven can be the life of the party and all that goodness. And then bringing it down, now you can indulge in gourmet pizza anytime, anywhere, because it's kind of designed. It is countertop. Technically, it's portable, so you can take it on the go if you really need to. You can use it in a restaurant. You can take it to your friend's house. Just kind of the design of enjoying gourmet pizza anywhere. And then the last one is, we know you're hungry, so you're going to want to monitor your pizza. So you got an easy viewing window, built-in light, so you can see your perfect pizza cooking in real time. And yeah, you might want to clean the monitor from drooling all over the pizza oven. But
Okay,
yeah,
I'm hungry. Bye. See
yeah,
you.
bye. So you got Food Panda. Dash, yeah, for
Good.
American. Yeah, sorry. Got a little drooling all over myself. All right, but
Nice.
we need some keywords, boost up that rank juice. So I'm gonna go to the Battle of the Bullets. So here we got about 2.6 million rank juice. As you can see, what was that PYY? He's got a big one, 3.6 million. We got to pass him. Another one of his variations. He's got 4 million. So we're in the mix, but we got to get to the number one spot. So let's find the best keywords. Let's see. All right. I got the outliers. I got a few of them, a few of keywords in there. All right. These look good. Indoor pizza oven indoor. There we go. Highlight those. If you see any, let me know. No. Yeah, these are good. Tabletop.
Yep.
Napoli. That other one's a brand name. Yeah, that brand name's good. Pizzazza Pizza. It messes with your mind. You're like, does that say pizza or pizzazz or what? Looking at small. And yeah, they knew what they were doing, little marketing shit. Small pizza oven.
That's good brainstorming there.
Yeah, good branding. It's like a misspelling. But yeah, pizza oven countertop. No pizzazz. Indoor. Yep, that's a good one. Electric. So these are, oh yeah, for home. Definitely get a part of that one. See any other big numbers, big rank juice. Ooh, Italian countertop pizza oven. Sounds fancy.
Yeah.
Electric pizza oven indoor. It's a good one. Ooh, even better. Countertop indoor. So yeah, maybe a few more. Yeah, they're kind of the same, but I'll still highlight them. Home pizza oven.
Ferrari. Ferrari. Oh my god.
See an Italian word? Oh,
Yeah.
Ferrari pizza oven. Oh,
I don't think Ferrari even makes pizza ovens. Like,
yeah. Someone's searching for it though. I need a Ferrari. Super fast. And
like you want some Lamborghini pizza oven.
Lamborghinis, yeah. Lamborghini. Is there a jalapeno pizza? But yeah, you think that's enough for now?
Yeah, that looks like it's enough.
All right. So now we're gonna take some of these keywords and I'm gonna put them in the battle or the listing builder and boost the score.
That's nice. So wow. We just wake up and we see this big increase from what score did we have before? 4 million something?
Yeah, it was around there, give or take. You can kind of see the breakdown. Yeah, about 4 or 5.
And now where we're standing.
All right, I'm gonna go back to the breakdown against the competitors. Now we're like 6.6 million, blowing past the competition. 3, 4. Yeah, we're number one.
Wow. We are literally roasting them, or actually we're baking them in the oven.
Yeah. Baking them. Yeah, about to be some pizza right now.
Cool. So which keyword did you add in the bullets? Let's take a look.
Yep. So I added one in each bullet point. I added pizza oven for home for the first one. Second one, Italian countertop pizza oven. Third one, indoor pizza oven electric. Fourth, electric pizza oven. And then fifth, countertop pizza oven indoor. And then I took part of a keyword and added Napoli or Napoli, however you say it. In there.
Napoli. So we're actually hitting that keyword as a broad match. Guys, we have skipped the whole process of showing you how we add the keywords, what's the rank juice for each keyword. If you want to see more details and if you want to have a step-by-step tutorial, there's going to be a link also in this video on the tutorial on how to use Data Dive, and we go deeper into the details on how to use the MKL, or you will probably see the link appear somewhere here. So definitely check it out. Joel, that was really good. Let's very quickly take a look at the description and search terms, and I guess we're good.
Yeah, sure thing. So here's my description. Got a decent score. Breakdown. 5 million, a little over 5 million rank juice. So yeah, I think it's a good one. I still got room. I can still fill it up with more keywords, get even more, but
yeah, we're using 1,373 out of 2,000 characters. Remember always to leave some space for your HTML, because that's going to be counted by Amazon. The more spaces and bolds and lines you have, the more characters you're going to use. 5.2 million looks good. I believe it can hit like 7 or 8 million here. We're not going to do it here, but you can do that with Data Dive. Search terms also look good. I believe we could optimize also those, but we're just not going to do this just for the sake of keeping this short, very brief. But you know the drill. You've seen already. So Joel, that was really good, really informative. I think we also learned something here. We put together a lot of pieces. Guys, find the link to Data Dive with a discount on the description below here. Remember to subscribe, to leave a like, leave a comment. Are you using Data Dive? Are you selling pizza makers or using something similar? I would say that's actually a very interesting niche. What's the revenue here of the main guys, Joel?
This guy's making 200,000. These guys are making pretty good money. So anywhere from 6 figures to low 5 figures. But yeah, it's definitely got opportunity to make decent money in the niche. And then if you bring something to the table, a different style pizza maker, like these rotating pizzas, or just something to stand from the competition. So I think it's a good opportunity here.
Yeah, definitely. All right, so guys, I just want to thank you, Joel, for doing this with us. It was really good.
I was happy to help.
And now I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna get some pizza.
I'm with you. Yeah,
definitely getting some pizza, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
All right, later.